Let me ask you something real. When was the last time your phone buzzed just because someone wanted to talk to you? Not for work, not for school, just you. If your answer is, I don't remember, this video is for you. And no, this is not a pity talk. This is a truth talk. There are millions of people walking around right now with no close friends. They laugh in public, they scroll at night, they look fine, but inside they feel invisible. If that's you, stay with me, because you're not weak. And you're definitely not alone in this. Here's the part nobody says out loud. Not having friends doesn't always mean you're boring, or awkward, or unlikable. Sometimes it means you grew up too fast. You learned to rely on yourself. You got tired of being the only one who cared. Maybe you were the listener, the helper, the one who showed up. And slowly, people stopped showing up for you. That doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means you've been strong for too long. And here's the twist. Being alone changes you, not loudly, quietly. When you don't have friends, a few things start happening. You overthink everything. You procrastinate because no one's watching. You doubt yourself because no one's reflecting you back to yourself. You start asking, am I behind? Why does everyone else have a group? Is it just me? And the worst part, you stop reaching out. Not because you don't want connection, but because rejection feels heavier than silence. That's a dangerous loop, but it's also fixable. Here's a hard truth, but a freeing one. Friendship is not a reward for being perfect. It's a byproduct of being visible. Most people don't magically find friends. They repeat small actions long enough for familiarity to grow. And right now, you might be invisible. Not because people don't like you, but because you've been hiding. From conversations, from invites, from effort, not on purpose, out of protection. So what do you actually do when you're starting from zero? Let's talk about that. First, build one point of contact, not a group, not a best friend, one person you see regularly at the gym, in class, at work, or online. Your only job is to be consistently present. Same place, same time, same energy. Familiarity creates safety. Safety creates conversation. Second, speak before you feel ready. Confidence doesn't come first, action does. Say something small. Hey, how was your day? That workout was rough, right? I see you here often. That's it. You don't need to be interesting. You need to be there. Third, stop waiting to be chosen. This one hurts, but listen. If you're always waiting for someone to text first, invite first, care first, you'll stay stuck. Choose once. Invite someone for tea, for a walk, for a short conversation. If they say no, that's not failure, that's information. Move forward. Fourth, become someone you respect. This matters more than friends. Work on something daily, your body, a skill, your routine. Not to impress people, but to trust yourself again. When you respect yourself, you stop begging for connection. You attract it naturally. Here's something powerful. Some of the strongest people you admire had seasons of deep loneliness. Not because they were unwanted, but because they were becoming. Being alone doesn't mean your life is empty. It means it's quiet enough to build something real. Use this time to understand yourself, to fix your habits, to heal old patterns. Friends will come, but this version of you is being built right now. Let me remind you of this. You are not broken, you are not behind, you are not unlovable, you're just in a chapter, not the whole story. So here's your one small step. Tonight or tomorrow, show up somewhere you usually avoid. Say one sentence. Stay 5 minutes longer than comfort allows. That's it. Connection grows from repetition, not perfection. If this felt like it was talking to you, you're not alone anymore. We're improving together.